Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links to your TikTok account. So if you are a TikTok creator and you want your viewers on TikTok to also have access to your other platforms such as Instagram or YouTube, you can add links to your social platforms on your profile. And through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you can just launch the TikTok application. And now you can just go to your profile by tapping on profile button at the bottom right corner and click on this edit profile. And in here under the about you section, you'll find the links options, so you can just tap on add in here, and you'll see there are four options that you can add to this links. You can add your lemonade link, Instagram, YouTube, and also Twitter. So if you want to add a website link, you need to become a professional account first. So you need to switch your account from personal into professional so that you can add your website link. But then you need to also fill in some forms to register your business account to TikTok. Okay, so here I'm going to just add this between these four links. If you want to make it clickable, you can just choose which link that you want. Let's say I want to add Instagram. You can just tap on add in here. Make sure that you've already logged in into your Instagram account on your phone. So here, as you guys can see, I need to log in first. Now tap on login and wait until the login is success. Okay, I don't know why there's some error. Let's try another link. Okay, I'm going to just add YouTube. You can tap on add, and again you need to make sure that you've already logged in into your YouTube account. Here I need to choose my emails because I have two. So you can just tap on continue, and just like that the link will be added. And when I go back and look at my profile, you can see there will be this clickable link. So when others click this link, it will direct them into my YouTube channel. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.